Hey everybody, back with another video. I was able to find some pretty new Matchbox models at my local store, so we're gonna do an unboxing video. Most of these models are from Matchbox Mix E or Mix 5. I'm pretty sure they are from this mix. And yeah, unfortunately I was a little bit late, so I'm pretty sure I couldn't find all of them, but hey, I'm glad that I was able to find some. So yeah, let's get right into it and let's start with a new casting for this year, which is this one here, the Polaris Ranger. So there we go. Yeah. So I'm not really familiar with this type of vehicle, but I would say it's like it's a little bit like an off-road golf cart or something. You can, I don't know, drive into the woods, you know, with your chainsaw and that stuff. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We get some deco on the front, Polaris lettering, some headlights, and nothing on the back. Nice roll cage, so it seems that this part is plastic, but the bed and the front is metal, plastic base for sure. Yeah, nice. Let's put this one to the side. We go on with the recolor for the Road Stripe King. So this is a pretty nice deco, the ink deco, and as you can see there is a hole, and yeah, you can put a pencil inside and yeah, do some artwork on your floor. And as you can see, got no interior, yellow base. Yeah, nice. We go on with this one here, Nissan Sentra. I think this is an older one, but yeah, I didn't open it. Oh, it's got a pretty nice livery, metal or metallic blue, pretty nice. The back got some details, looking very good. The front, I don't know, looks a little bit weird. I think the headlights do look kind of strange. Anyways, let's put this one to the side. We go on with the German car, Porsche Cayenne Turbo. This is a recolor. First version in black. Now in blue. Okay. I think so the color is a little bit different than I expected. This I hope you can see it. It's here in the packaging. Yeah, I don't know how it looks on camera, but it's a little bit lighter than I thought. I mean, if you compare it with this one here, this is more the color that I expected. I don't know if, yeah, I think on camera, oh yeah, I think you can see it. Anyways, here is the black version for a little comparison. Yeah, I think I would prefer the black one. Let's put this guy to the side. Then we go on with the Toyota 4Runner. I think this is the second version. First version in red. Oh, okay, that is a there's a little bit of a strange color. And I would say the difference between the packaging and the model inside is, yeah, kind of extreme in my opinion. But yeah, it is how it is. I think it looks weird. Also, the back is a little bit, I don't know why this thing has gray taillights. Strange. So yeah, but yeah, they decided to do it like this. So then we got the Matchbox Mini Cargo Truck. Normally, I think these ones are extreme pack warmers. I think there's a red version of this one, and I don't know how old it is, but the packs are still filled with the red version of this. This, in my opinion, has a variation. So let's see. Okay, we got the empty version, and there is a variation with some kind of luggage or a box here on top, in my opinion. Matchbox Airways, yeah, nice. Let's put it to the side and let's go on with the model that I think is the coolest of this video, the Renault Twizy, a little, let's call it strange looking electric vehicle. I think it's quite a while since this went into production. I think it's 10 or 12 years old. But I have to say, yeah, I like these weird cars, and this thing is really, really cool in my opinion. It's something that you always remember or always recognize when you see it. So yeah, I think that is very cool. Here on the back, we got some details saying Twizy under the Renault logo. So in the doors, as you can see, we get some glass or plastic windows. Get some details on the front. And I have to say, I also like these colors. Pretty nice model. I think it's my favorite of this set. Let's put it to the side. Another recolor, 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, now in red. First version was black or a very dark gray, if I remember it correctly. But yeah, this red version is also very nice. I do appreciate it when they do these lensed headlights. They are part of the inner plastic piece for sure. But yeah, this one looks very good. Also can see the Mitsubishi logo on the front, and we also get some details on the back. Pretty nice model. Let's put this one between all these blue cars. A lot of blue models in this mix. Then we go on with this guy here, Dune Dog. So this is an older casting. Let's take a look at the base 2010. So we've seen a lot of version of this guy here. Now in, what does it say on the door? Lions Brothers Racing. And we get a roof piece. I think you can't remove it. with some stuff on there, jerry can, and I think there's a chainsaw, some luggage, spare tire on the back. Yeah, I think it's I mean, it does look a little bit like a Bronco or something. Nice. Then we got this one here, the International eSTAR. And yeah, I have to admit, when I first got my first version of this, I thought this thing was a generic casting from a Matchbox, but it's not. It is a real existing vehicle. And yeah, I think it looks a little bit weird, but I really like it, and it's been out in some pretty nice decos in my opinion. So now in this cargo Couriers deco, and for example we've seen it in this pretty nice Matchbox livery. Really like the colors of this one. Or worn parts delivery, which is also very cool. And yeah, this version as a mobile charger, also very nice. So yeah, pretty happy to have it. Then let's go on with the Jeep Gladiator. I think this is the fourth version. Trying to remember all the colors. I think in green, blue and red. So this is the version without the doors. We get some rims with yeah, this red ring, and here on the side of the hood it's saying Rubicon. Yeah, unfortunately no deco on the front, but I think it's still the best color, black, for such a vehicle. So yeah, let's put this one to the side. And our last one is the Tesla Roadster, and I think this is the third version. Came in a very, very nice red, then in a dark gray, and now here we are in this yeah, light gray or silver. Very nice model, very nice details on the front, looking very crisp. The headlights, Tesla logo on the hood. This is the back, also very nice, as always on these Tesla models, saying zero emission on the plate. Get this huge glass roof, and we can take a look inside. Nice model. And if you are interested in, here is the first version in this very, very nice yeah, dark satin red or whatever you call it, but it's really, really nice version. And then we've seen it, you know, yeah, dark metallic gray, and yeah, there you have it, this unboxing video. So now let's take a look at all of our models, and as always trying to pick a favorite. And let's bring the camera back a little. So here we go. And I think yeah, in this case for me it's easy. I think for me it's the Renault Twizy. Not just because it's a new casting. I appreciate that Matchbox is doing something like that, and I think they've done a really good job. I also like this blue, or it's a little bit turquoise, just a little bit. Very nice model. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.